Good morning, boys and girls, and it's Tuesday already. So let's get started right away with our date. And as we said, it's Tuesday the 9th of February 2021. Tuesday the 9th of February 2021. So let's begin then with looking at our spellings, and I'll read them and then you repeat after me. And of course, we're looking at the J sound this week. Jaw, jeans, June, July, page, change, large, giant, gentle, edge, bridge, and juggle. Moving on then to our sounds in focus, and question 4 asks you to colour the jellyfish if they make the J sound. So you'll find that every word here, every jellyfish, has a G or a J or a GE in it, but they don't always make that J sound. So for example, the word again. There the G makes a G sound, not a J sound. So for again, you wouldn't colour in that jellyfish. But however, for the word giant there, J, giant, you would definitely colour that in because you can hear that J sound. So as you're looking at each jellyfish, say the word aloud and see if you can hear a J. If you can, colour it in. But if you can't hear it, then you just leave it blank. All right? Now, question 5 then asks you to look at the list words and find words with different amounts of sounds and letters, okay? So the first one asks you to find a word with 2 sounds and 3 letters. Now, what I suggest you do is, first of all, narrow down your choices. Look at the letters first. Find all the words in your word list that have 3 letters first of all, okay? And then you're going to eliminate a whole lot of letters, okay? So, jaw has 3 letters. Anything else with 3 letters? No. So already we know the answer. It's going to be jaw because it has 3 letters. Let's just double check. Does jaw have 2 sounds? J, aw. Yes, it does. So here your word would be jaw. Then you would go on to this one. And as I said, focus on the letters first. Okay? So you're looking for a word with 4 letters. So let's have a look. So it could be June. It could be July. It could be page. Anything else? Oh, it could be edge. All right. So let's see what it asks us next. So that's our 4 possibilities. And it says something with 3 sounds. So, and I can tell you there that you have a few different choices that will still be correct because a lot of the 4-letter words have 3 sounds, but not all of them, so be careful. So you work your way through these questions, narrowing down your choices first by counting the words that have the right amount of letters, and then trying to find one that has the right amount of sounds. Okay. For our literacy today, we are moving on to comprehension, and we usually do one of these a week. You're well used to comprehensions by now. So read carefully through the text, and then at the end you'll find the questions, as always. So it's quite a long text. Okay, so take your time and read through it carefully, and then you'll come to the questions. So I'm just going to read through them quickly for you. Name 2 activities Sam and his dad have done before on Father's Day. Question 2. What was the main problem in the story? How was this problem solved? Why does Sam think his dad is like a superhero? And finally, do you think Sam's dad is a good veterinarian and why? Now, a veterinarian is the long version of the word vet. And a vet is a doctor for animals, all right? So veterinarian is the long version of the word, but we usually just hear the word vet. Now, make sure you do full sentences. Try not to begin with the word because, but a lot of you are doing really well with these sentences and really answering your comprehensions clearly and in detail. So well done to you for that. That's brilliant. Now moving on to our maths today, and we are continuing with data handling.